Hey Google, close the garage door. Hey, okay. Welcome back to the TechKnowViking. Today we're going to take a test ride on this 05 Harley Heritage Classic.
A few moments later.
If it'll start.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Oh, interesting. Okay, well, let's give it a shot anyway. Let's see if this thing will do what it's supposed to be doing. That front brake is terrible. Well, the clutch works, so that's good news. Yeah, that front brake is awful. So first things first, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna test out the clutch, because that's what we just fixed, along with the idle, which it sounds like the carburetor is not super happy. Okay. There doesn't feel like there's much left in that clutch. Shift's smooth. That front brake is almost non-existent. Speedo doesn't work. it's got good power, so the carb is working, but it's just not starting and idling the way that it should. It does get into neutral just fine though. Okay, not bad. The CV carb is doing its job. It's not popping, but it's got some leaks. Ride's okay. Suspension feels alright. Oops. Sorry. Almost empty fuel. Cycling back and forth, he probably needs better gas. Judging by the condition of the bike, more than likely been sitting a while. I mean, the brakes work okay, but that front lever feels real terrible. Well, that is interesting. You can hear it cooling off. So something you always want to do with carbed bikes when you finish is turn your fuel off. That's on. Oh, it was on reserve. Well, let's try starting it on. See what happens. Yeah, interesting. So it doesn't like to be anything other than nice and warmed up. But yeah, boy, she's got a lot of work before she can be a reliable bike. But that's the thing. If you don't take care of them, they don't take care of you. And carbureted bikes especially, you got to make sure you're using non-ethanol fuel if you want to let it sit in there. Otherwise, you got to drain your float bowls by letting it idle down or actually opening the float bowl drain. And you should have seen I had to clean a whole bunch of stuff coming off the bottom of this. So more than likely the float bowl seal or one of the other seals is leaking, and I think it's the float bowl seal. And yeah, that'll do it. Also possibly the fuel pump. So just something to keep in mind if you own one of these. Yeah, man, doesn't end though, does it? There's always something wrong. Yikes. Okay, so that does it for today. Thanks for joining me. It's a pretty nice bike to ride. I'll give it that much. I do like the seating position on these. It's always been rather comfortable to me, although those of you who've seen me ride in the wing know I'm a big fairing guy. I like long miles but no wind, so this is an around the town bike for sure. Anywho, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.